What's up, guys? How is it going? What up, Chris? What up, Josh? What up, Riley? Yeah, Josh in a baseball break. Definitely first, I think. What up, dude? All right, good luck. These are thrown into the break. 101 pot doesn't count in them. Dustin has the 101 pot. It's not reflected on there. That's it. And then I'm going to random, after the break, I'll random box of Chronicles ripped or shipped to someone in the break. I'll random that tonight. Rip it tomorrow or ship it or drop off. Start with the freebie. We'll do the hobby, then the HTA. How about that? HTA is nice this year. Rainbow, being real nice. All right, good luck, guys. After this will be football. So whoever wins the Chronicles when I random it tonight can have it ripped or shipped. Either way is good. Can't be worse, he says. All right, first free hit. It's going to the D-backs. Yeah, Jake McCarthy. Base rookie. D-backs. And two color, right? Exactly. It's a decent chance. And Rodolfo Castro. Well, they're free. Rookie auto, Pirates. Then the Chronicles, everyone will be eligible for that. I'll random it tonight. Ripped or shipped. Tomorrow I can rip it. Tomorrow we're doing a lot of sorting and shipping. Probably won't have much of anything up. We're backlogged on a lot right now. I'm going to treat tomorrow as a Monday. Usually I'm not on here Mondays. You already got a hit. All right, good luck. Great product, great fun. I think Andrew will be live in 5 minutes with football and whatnot. I think we're some football tonight. Good luck all. All right, good luck, good luck. O'Neal Cruz, rookie. Figueroa. I think there's a green coming up. Soto. Arenado. And for the Mariners, a little veteran green. Jared Kelenic to 99. I think that's a color match. Ish. Junior Perez, first. Quintana. Stanton. Riley's crushing it. Abrams, rookie. And our first hit going to the Rays, Drew Baker. Rojas first. Verdugo first. Mountcastle, Trout. Henry Davis. Got Reckley first. Hernandez first. Pujols. Velati rookie. And Simone Juan on the first silver shimmer for the Mets. Wilfred Veras first. Morabel first. Ramos. Landon Knock, Arizona. Montgomery, Kath. I think Finley has the Mariners. Mariners are due. Sounds like a wonderful night, Mr. Eifert. Gore rookie. Goldie. Tealsy. Bachman Shades. Harry Ford for no reason backwards. Denzer Guzman. Olsen. Baz rookie. Francisco Alvarez. Refractor to $4.99 for the Mets. Blazer. Hassel. Tucker Alonso. And not a bad one for the Rangers. Anthony Gutierrez. Walker, Acuna, Buxton, Yiddy. Hey, there you go, a little Bobby Witt something. Fractor rookie, 418 to 499. A little smuts, but I think you can brush it off. Cesar Prieto, Cueva, Detmer's rookie, Colton Cowser, Cabrera first, Simone, Pena rookie, Weimer, Yiddy, and Yorkie. We're going to mix this with the case, that's for sure. Two base. Two base. They're coming, though. Coming out hot. HTA is always fired. I have one box of, I think it's last year's HTA. Could do multi-year randoms. It wouldn't be too expensive at all. Redemption hunting. Lewis Detmer's rookie, Blade. Vasquez first, McLean. Got Jordan Walker on the Silver Shimmer. William Bergola. Cho. Blaze. And Jorge Valera on the Atomic Invicta to 150 for the Guardians. 104 of 150. Muncie, Tover. He's always buying it. Pete Alonso. And nice hit for the Padres. Another base. A nice one. Yendry Rojas first. The blue coming up. Diaz, Perez, Baz, rookie, Gore, and Robert Hassel on the purple to 250. Alvarez, Williams, 0 Bergolas, Merrill, and not bad, Juan Soto to 150 on the true blue for the Nats. Not bad. Ramos and Vasquez. Yeah. That's a tough hit, it seems. Oh, damn. One boxer mojo, huh? That's awesome. Love when big hits come out of little cheapies. Really? Quan, Henry, Meja first, Vaquero first, Simeon, Duran, Job, Confidan, Arteaga, Hernandez. Got Warming on the Invicta for the Rockies. Eddie's Leonard, Lawler, Berger rookie, Kelenic, and nice hit for the Rangers. There you go, JoJo Blackman to 299 on the first Speckle. Nice hit, Rangers. Team Adam. Come on. Who do you even have? The Phillies? Yeah. Dominguez, Mitchell. As long as not Team Drew. Marte, Manning rookie, and Detmers on the Teal Lava to 199 rookie. Angels. Cool looking card. Harris, Garcia, Vlad, Pena rookie, Velasquez, Job, and Meza. Team Brett. Speaking of Team Brett, he's got minis up and teams left. Not sure if the surprise freebies will be in play if it doesn't fill tonight. Get some good ones picked out. All right, last hobby and then the HTAs. Good luck. All set up for football. Team Brandy. I'm Team Michael Lessie all the way. My PC is Michael Lessie. Team Kennedys. In soccer for sure. Trying to get some World Cup from Greenfield. That is not seeming likely. We might try to find some somewhere. Like to keep it in their museum vault. But there's not a museum vault. It's a shelf. Perez, Freeman, Ivan Johnson, Morabel first, Reckley first. Otani, Tatis, Cesar Prado on the first shimmer. Nice hit for the O's. Cal Hernandez first. Rojas first. Wander rookie. Seager, Noel, Verdugo, Warming, Torque rookie, Stott rookie. Oh, it's right here, and it's a nice one for the Red Sox. Edison Paulino to $4.99, first refractor. Not bad. Perez, Ford, got a gold coming up. Melendez, Yepes, and nice hit. That's a real nice one for the Rangers. Anthony Gutierrez on the true gold. Nice hit. That's what I like about Hobby. You can hit nice cards like this without getting an actual hit. 11 of 50. Nice hit. Quintana, Jorge, Jay Allen, Figueroa. Yeah, that's a nice one. And Wiener. That's a nice hit. I will be at the Kenosha shop tomorrow. If anyone's coming down, I'll be there mostly all day. Sorting and shipping all day. Rangers break. Stott better than Franklin. Okay, Riley. Kirby rookie. Acuna, Mead, Ortega, Leonard, Madrigal, Jordan. Got Yoshwar. There you go, Riley. Little short print. Yoshwar Garcia on the silver shimmer. Not numbered. Waller, Dominguez, Luis Gil rookie, Luis Rodriguez, Harris, Liddell rookie, Springer, and Benjamin Cowles for the Yankees. Not bad. First auto. Max. Or not that. Base. First base. Base first. Not bad. We talk about the Nets. Got a blue coming up. Job. Julio rookie. Castro. We got a blue and purple. For the Mets, Lindor to 250. Mesa first. Velasquez. Chapman. Noel. And not bad for the Stros. Jordan. True blue to 150. McLean and Bergola. Oh, I see what you're saying. Should be watching the Nets. I need some more penny sleeves. One moment. Let's spin around. There we go. Bowman Chrome loves you. It wants to be with you. Good luck. 9 autos. Hopefully good ones. And like I said, later on tonight I will random the list. Top spot will get Hobby Box Chronicles, ripped or shipped. All right, good luck. I think I see a blue. First one up, going to the Marlins. Not bad. Ian Lewis, first sparkle to $2.99. Got a nice one for the Rockies. Yanquil Fernandez for 150 on the blue lava. Irrelevant, he says about Simmons. Nice hit. And base is a good one, too, for Boston. Cedane Rafaela. Base first. I wonder if the base is actually numbered, too. They're coming out nice, at least. First one out for the Dodgers. Nice hit. Jorbit Vivas first. $4.99 refractor. Nice hit. Second one out for the Royals. Miguel Garcia, base. And we got another base. In Manuel Valdez, Astros. All right, last box, Mojo. Good luck. Greeny coming up. Okay. Recognize it from the signature. Oof. First one out. I was wrong. Nice hit for the O's. Miguel Hernandez on the true green to 99. Thought that was Ortega. Nice hit. Orioles. Not bad, not bad. Next up, we got a base for the Dodgers, Rain Donkin. And last hit of the night, Charlie Welch for the Mariners. There you go, Charlie. I believe he's an auto only in this product. Not bad. All right, let's do a recap. And then football. Got Julio rookie. Jordan to 150. Francisco Lindor to 250. Yoswar Shimmer, Wander. Gutierrez to 50 gold. Prado, Shimmer. Vaquero, Detmer's rookie to 199. Warming, Soto blue to 150. Hassel to 250. Valera to 150 on the Atomic Invicta. Walker Shimmer, Witt to 499, rookie refractor. Alvarez to 499. Simone Juan with a, this is not a print line actually. That is the outfield fence. Shimmer and Kalanick to 99. Hits. Not bad. Not bad. Charlie Welch, base first. Mariners. Donkin, Dodgers. Hernandez /99, Orioles. Valdez, base, Astros. Garcia, base, Royals. Vivas Refractor /499, Dodgers. Rafaela, Boston. Fernandez /150, Rockies. Ian Lewis /299, Marlins. Cowles, Yankees. Polino /499, Boston. Jojo Blackman /299, Rangers. Andrew Rojas, Padres. Anthony Gutierrez, Rangers. And Drew Baker, Rays. And from the freebies, Rodolfo Castro, rookie autograph for the Pirates. Didn't do too good in the freebies. Hopefully the box of Chronicles is good. And Jake McCarthy for the D-backs. All right, guys, I appreciate it. I will be live in a moment with football. And then Mike's got his Sunday, Monday, Tuesday mixer. Thanks, guys.